Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Instagram reminder notifications with the latest update. If you want to stay on top of your favorite posts, events, or live sessions, enabling these reminders is a great way to never miss out. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the menu or hamburger icon, located at the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize many aspects of your Instagram experience. Scroll down a bit until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several categories. Look for the one labeled From Instagram and tap on it. This section controls all notifications that come directly from Instagram itself, including reminders. Now, under the Reminders section, you'll find the option to turn reminders on or off. Simply select On to enable Instagram reminder notifications. Once activated, Instagram will send you timely alerts about events, live videos, and other reminders you've set or that Instagram thinks you'll find useful. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll make sure you never miss a beat on Instagram. Whether it's a live stream from your favorite creator or a special event, those reminders will keep you informed and ready to join in. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying connected with Instagram's reminder notifications.